Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to process the full and final settlement of a separated employee. The full and final settlement process is where all the dues payable to and receivable from the employee who has resigned or separated are calculated. There are several steps in the processing of the final settlement, where the first step is to separate or offboard the employee. On completion of the offboarding of the employee, the name will reflect in the exit grid. To view the same, go to Team, click Directory, click Manage Exits, search for the employee by typing in the employee name or code. You can also select the month from the drop-down. Once you select the month, all the employees who have been separated for that month will be displayed. You have two options under the Edit drop-down, which is the Process and Revoke. Click Process to process the final settlement. This will calculate all the dues payable to and receivable from the employee. The details entered during the offboarding of the employee will be automatically displayed, like the name, resign date, and last working date. Settlement process date. The date will be automatically displayed, which is the last working date of the employee. You can change it to a future date, but the date cannot be less than the last working date. Click on View Pending Details to see the status of the pending request of leave, comp-off, FBP claim, and reimbursement. Make sure that there are no pending requests in the View Pending application before processing the final settlement. In case there are any pending approvals, the reporting manager must approve, or even the HR or admin can approve the same. Click View Declaration Audit Details to view the audit status related to the income tax declaration. During the final settlement, only the audited and approved investment proofs are considered for income tax calculation. If the is audited is shown as no, then the proofs will not be considered and applicable income tax will be deducted from the employee's final settlement. Loss of pay details. LOP days will be fetched automatically from the LMS and biometric. You can also enter the LOP days manually. Please note the LOP data from the LMS and biometric cannot be edited. If you wish to make any changes, please contact the support team. Leave encashment. Earned leave will be automatically fetched from the leave management system, and the leave encashment amount will be calculated based on the formula configured. The system also allows the overriding of the leave encashment amount. To override the amount, you need to check the box Allow Edit of Leave Encashment Amount under Configure Rules under Advanced Settings. Coming to loan. The pending loan data will be taken from the loan module. The employee's pending loan amount will be displayed. This will be the amount that will be deducted in the final settlement calculation. FBP Actual Unclaimed Amount. The employee's FBP unclaimed amount will be displayed. The unclaimed FBP amount will be paid as taxable. Notice pay. Select this option if there is any notice period payable by the employer. Notice recovery. Select this option if there is any recovery from the employee. Enter the notice period days. Based on the days entered in this field, the system will calculate the actual notice amount. Gratuity. The system will automatically calculate gratuity based on employee's date of joining and last working day. Please note that you have to create the salary components for leave, gratuity, and notice pay and recovery. You also have the option to override the amount for leave encashment, loan, FBP unclaimed amount, notice pay payable, notice pay recovery, and gratuity. After entering all the fields, click Process Settlement. If there are any one-time payments or deductions, the same needs to be updated in the adjustment amount. After entering the amounts against the relevant pay head, click Next. You can view the settlement details. The tax will be deducted based on the calculations. If there are any tax adjustments you would like to update, they can be updated under the adjustable IT. This amount will override the system calculated tax. Click Apply. Check or validate if all the information is correct and check the box Mark as settled. In the Manage Exit Search option, the settlement process will reflect Yes if the Mark as Settled option is checked. Click Save Click on Report to generate the full and final report, which is your FFS report. With this, the full and final settlement of your employee is processed. You also have the import option to process multiple FFS. Under Team, click Directory. Click Manage Exit. Click Import and Process FFS. Download the template. Update the details and save it to the local drive. Click Choose File. Click Import and your multiple FFS will be processed. You also have the option to revoke the full and final settlement. This will cancel the final settlement calculations and the employee will become active. Please note you cannot make any changes to the employee's exit without revoking the employee. Before revoking the employee, ensure that the Mark as Settled checkbox is unchecked. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.